To meet the demand for higher quality and lower prices, we have spent nearly half a year in research and development, and has comprehensively upgraded this unique design and reasonable prices foldable house, the PrefabX-SPD. The building area is 39 square meters, one floor, and 2.3 meters interior clear height. And the size detail is 16.6 and 17 millimeters length, 59 and 18 millimeters wide, 12.6 and 15 millimeters height. And the floor module is made of steel frame and PU filler and PVC floor with outside color steel sheet. And the wall module, like this, is made of plank and PU filler, steel frame, and bamboo and wood fiberboard. Let's check out the inside. The inside wall panel is made of steel frame and glass wool sandwiches with bamboo and wood fiberboard with OSB board outside. And the ceiling module is made of steel frame and color steel sheet with PU filler and bamboo and wood fiberboard. And the windows and the doors is all double layered tempered glass with aluminum alloy door and window frame. There are some features and advantages of our SPD house, which is it's very easy to install and quick. Just only 2 workers with 8 hours a day, the installation can be done. And it has strong snow load capacity with 1 kilonewton per square meters, and soundproof and fire resistance, which is grade 3. And the house is anti-corrosion for 20 years, and the wind resistance and with 215 kilometers per hour. And is seismic resistance with grade 9, which is very good for seismic region. In earthquake, it can resistant, and it has long surface life with like 15 years. We have 30% discount for the first unit 1, and the MOQ is 1, just 1. You can use it as a holiday house, holiday home, like in the beach, in the mountains for your vacation, or the backyard cottage for your kids, or 2-room, or just a single expandable area for your house. You can set garage, set car, or something else inside. And it can be used as emergency shelter, like in a disaster, like after earthquake, the tsunami, something like that. It's all ready to move in. And as you can see, the furniture, the desk, the chair, the sofa is optional. You can buy from us, or you can arrange for your local region, because it's loaded in 20 feet container, or 2 sets into 40 feet container. It's expandable. And unfolded, it says 20 feet container. All stuff is inside this one. So there's no lots of space for furniture like chairs and desks, all this. If you buy this, you will need to pay for extra freight cost. And like air conditioner and water heater, the range hood, induction cooker, integrated gas cooker, or the PV system, solar panel, it's all optional. You can choose it from our list, or you can arrange for yourself.